So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do casting out of liquid latex. Pretty simple. Hopefully camera angle is decent. I'm going to go ahead and turn off this fan so you can hear me. It's always important to stir your liquid latex because the ammonia will actually settle on top, so you don't want to be pouring in all that ammonia. The ammonia keeps it from setting, so it keeps the latex nice and fresh. So I'm just going to stir this up. I feel like it's well stirred. And I'm just going to go ahead and pour in my mold. I'll be pouring in a little bit more. I will now slush it around, make sure it gets all into the detail, get rid of any bubbles. Pour it out. I'll let that drain for about a minute or two, and then I'm going to be filling it back up, and I'm going to be letting it dwell for about 20 to 30 minutes. The longer you let it dwell, the thicker your casting is going to be. So usually 10 to 20 minutes is where I try to keep it at. It builds up a nice, decent thickness. Go ahead, fill this bud, fill this up. And I will go ahead and occasionally shake to get rid of any air bubbles. And if you want to layer on some saran wrap, that'll keep the top portion from curing. Alrighty, I'm gonna check back in 25 minutes and show you guys what it looks like when it's been drained and then cured completely.